Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am here to bring you some clothes from an Amazon seller. Now, the one seller that reached out to me is Awuliffan. They are an Amazon seller, and they asked if they could send me some pieces of clothing that I could review for them for my YouTube audience. I said yes. So we have Awuliffan and we have feiersi, which is probably the same company but with a different name. So I do have some clothes to show you. So let's go ahead and go through them. So the first thing that I have for you is this really pretty top. It's a V-neck top. It's blue with some flowers. Now this one is the summer bell short sleeve. This runs for $22.98. There are 8 colors available, and this one is 95% polyester and 5% spandex. It does have a little bit give to it, but I have to say this felt really nice when I put it on. It felt nice and cooling, and I thought that these fit very well. It looks like that they are made well. So that's a pretty good deal for $22.98. Did I say there's 8 colors available? The next blouse is this white and polka dot one. This also is a V-neck. It has long sleeves that you can gather up, which I really like. Now this one is the business casual V-neck cuffed sleeve. There are 13 colors available. It is 95% polyester and 5% spandex, and they would like anywhere from $12.98 to $22.98 depending on the color you choose. This one as well felt very comfortable and cooling, and you can really dress this up. Some nice trousers, or you can dress it down with some jeans, and I felt very comfortable in this one. The next one, I really actually like the print on this one. This one's really pretty. It has like black flowers, and that's like gray in there, like a blue gray. There are faux buttons, so this is a pullover, and it ties on the bottom. Now this one is a V-neck bat wing sleeve. It comes in 12 colors. This also is 95% polyester and 5% spandex. They would like $21.99 for this blouse, but I really do like that print. I like the longer sleeves. The next one I thought was kind of fun. This is like a crew neck long sleeve tee. It says oversized, but this actually really just fits me. But I thought this was really fun and colorful, nice long sleeves. This one is $12.99 to $21.99 depending on the pattern you choose, and there's 21 colors available. This also is 95% rayon and 5% spandex. It's stretchy. It's very comfortable feeling. But I thought this one was a lot of fun. Now we're getting into like winter territory. This is a long sleeve sweater. It's a V-neck. It has a seam down the center. It has a nice cuff at the end. You can either wear it all the way down or you can push them up. It is a bat wing. And it has a lot of stretch to it. This one is 50% viscose, 28% polyester, and 22% nylon. They would like $21.99 to $28.99 for it, and there are 10 colors available. Now this sweater looks very well made. The next thing is this pink turtleneck. It's like a very heavy t-shirt material. So this is a batwing turtleneck. They would like $12.98 to $21.98. There are 16 colors available. Now I think they got the percentages wrong on what it's made of. Let's see. Oh, it says 95% rayon and 5% spandex. It felt really good. Now this one looks cute with a pair of jeans and some sneakers. You can even dress something like this up with maybe a little skirt underneath. But I really like the feel of this. Nice thick t-shirt. That'll keep me cozy. Now we're going into the dresses. So the first dress I tried on is this V-neck sundress. It's like a faux wrap. And as you can see a little bit of my bra here and here. You can clip it if you like. You can pin it, or you can wear a tank top or a little camisole underneath and you won't see that. But I thought that this was a little too snug for me. I got everything in an extra large. I'm a size 12. So I got everything in an extra large, and I thought this one could be a little bit bigger on me. But you can wear a jacket over it and it'll kind of hide how snug it is. You can wear shapewear underneath and you can be fine that way as well. But it's cute. It's a cute little sundress. And there's 10 colors available. They'd like $25.98. And this one also is 95% rayon and 5% spandex. Now the very last thing I have is this cute little black dress. Very cute. I thought it was a very nice length. I liked the fluttered sleeves. It seems well made. This one is the summer dress ruffle sleeve. They would like $19.99 to $24.99, depending on what color or pattern you choose. There are 9 colors available, and this also is 95% rayon and 5% spandex. I thought it was wonderful of those companies, the Amazon sellers, to reach out to me, Awuliffan and feiersi. So I really appreciate them doing that for me and to share some of the items that are in their store. I will go ahead and link all of my items for you down below if you are interested in getting anything for yourself. I don't get anything out of it. Well, I got the clothes, but I don't make any money on these products. This was sent to me free for review, and I thought I would share this with you. I am so glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.